Hi, this is your friendly how-to video on how to complete Module 8 if you're in the 18-week course, Brown versus Board of Education essay, or if you're in the 6-week course, it will be Module 3, Brown versus Board of Education essay. So this is a 250-word essay. You do need to put the word count at the end. So in your own words, write a 250-word essay, double-spaced, 12 font, which is MLA format, explaining the significance of the Supreme Court case, Brown versus the Board of Education. You're also going to talk about the background of the case, the ruling in the case, how did the court's ruling change society, and how did it particularly change in Topeka, Kansas? To receive full credit, you must explain how this changed society, not only in the United States, but in Topeka, Kansas specifically. I'm repeating this because many students forget that part. I'm asking you to highlight your section on how it impacted Topeka, Kansas to make sure you don't forget to put it in there. This is why I have you highlight certain things so that you know you'll be able to get the most amount of points from an assignment. Be sure to properly document your sources using MLA format. The essay needs to be at least 250 words, double space and types. Show how you did research. When you're writing this, I need to see that you researched the information. So don't just cite it in your sources. Actually, let me feel that you did some research in your writing. Your submission will automatically be submitted to Turnitin.com. Just make sure you save it as a Word doc or a PDF. If you save it as like a text edit file, it will not upload, and then you and I will go back and forth between emails on how you need to submit it yourself to Turnitin.com. And you don't want to have to do that. So just from the start, save it as a Word doc or PDF. PDF is usually the best. Please include your word count in parentheses at the end of your essay. And that's it. That's an easy one.